Hey guys, today I'm not doing any ride culture products. So today I'm actually highlighting this product, which is a hinge cover by TNA Customs, and they're really easy to put in. So this will replace this, and it's super simple to get them in. All you need is this one tool, 4mm Allen, and this comes off, this gets put on. It's pretty quick. So the only thing you really need to do is remove these two bolts, and that's it. And I'm going to do that now. See, pretty simple. That gets removed. These get put on. Then flip this open, put the screws in, and you're good to go. All right, now I've got that all done. Got these removed and got TNA Customs hinge covers on, and yeah, things look much better. So one of the easiest installs I've done in a long time. You don't need to take your bags off to do this. I only did this because I needed to shoot several other videos on these bags. So yeah, new style bags, you can put these hinge covers on. Go ahead and visit TNA Customs.